this is a quick video. I just want to show you how to add tags in a bulk way before you upload it. So that way you'll know where those contacts came from. So let's say that I have already my database in here. I have it on an Excel spreadsheet. So what I will do is that I will simply add a column named tag, and maybe all of this came from a webinar, let's say. So what I will simply do is copy and paste this webinar. And let's say that I want also to know what kind of webinar, like webinar, how to sell a book, right? Like it was not just any webinar, it was this precise webinar, right? But I took these contacts from. So what I'm gonna do next is simply, I'm gonna save here, and we're gonna save it as CSV file, and then I'm gonna put any name, kind of database webinar. Save, right? And now I'm gonna go back into Progreda, and I'm gonna import my contacts, right? In here, I'm gonna upload a file. Next. And I see that everything is perfectly matched, right? First name, phone, email, tag, right? Next. Import name. Like I can leave it as it is, or I can simply put the name. Like all of these contacts came from the webinar, how to sell a book. Submit. And that's it. It says that my file is being processed. I'm gonna click in here to see how's it going. It says that it's already complete. So I'm gonna go back into my contacts, and there they are, right? All of this. Webinar, how to sell a book. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye.